So I said in the last video goodbye and in the next morning, but I decided after getting back from the island with the puffins that I need to visit another waterfall. So this one, the Seljalandsfoss, I'm visiting now and taking some photos from. It has been used in the latest Star Trek Discovery episode, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, I'm trying to take some pictures of it. I've seen the drones are not permitted here, so no drone shots this time. But yeah, let's see what you can see from this interesting waterfall. Oh, and I think it's Instagram heaven, probably. Well, I wouldn't be here if it wouldn't be, to be honest. As you can maybe see, there are people standing behind the waterfall, so you can go behind it and walk around the waterfall. Might be a bit wet, I guess, but it must be very impressive. And since the midnight sun, look at out of my face. Since the midnight sun is approaching very fast in a few days, of course we still have sunlight at what time is it? Almost 9 o'clock, and it probably will remain this way till midnight, or around midnight. So no sunset for another 3 hours. Oh, and I can already feel the water spray coming from the waterfall, so it might be getting wet. It's a good thing I stopped, because it is amazing, and the light, sun shining into it from afar, it's really great. Let's have a look. Now I have to go back down there when it's all wet. Wish me luck, I will survive that. But you know, what you don't do for images. Best experience so far behind the waterfall. That's really amazing. Let's see if we can find some other compositions to take photos. I've seen a bridge with a guy with a yellow jacket, maybe Instagram shot. Tried another shot. I'm trying to use the grass line down here as a leading line up to the waterfall. Maybe that works as an image. Okay, let's find another one. I am going up to the waterfall from the other side, where that guy was standing in the yellow jacket. I couldn't take an image of him on the bridge because he already left. And yeah, I think we can find another picture up here. I'm using this rock formation here as well for another leading line in portrait mode. Maybe that works. And there is even a rainbow. Tell me what you want, but that was an amazing evening. It wasn't planned actually, but I love it. So it feels like the light show is over. The sun is hiding herself behind some thick layer of clouds. So I want to stay out here a bit longer, but it seems the light isn't coming back for a few hours. So let's move back to the hotel, and now we definitely see us tomorrow morning, to be precise. So, see ya!